and employability. Now, this is applicable to all branches. I will try to represent tools for preparation that will help you in your selection process for job. Now, why preparation process is needed? It's a simple question. If that is coming to your mind, I would have only 4 points to tell you. You need to prepare to enhance employability in you, get success in cracking written tests and interviews, get job of an value, also to get job of higher package. Now this preparation process is made simple for you. The things you need to follow religiously are: you need to attend the session all about placement, you should interact with the queries and doubt for preparation, check the link circulated to you, watch the recorded and informative session, practice well, be perfect. Now software companies have become like a vendor to core companies. Now you just see the following sectors which I have mentioned. The projects from these companies are being handled by the software companies. For example, a software company may have a projects related to the core companies, related to design, maybe automobile, aerospace, automation, Internet of Things, industrial product based projects, security related projects, oil and gas, related to chemical industry, pharma, energy and power, finance and banking is a huge sector from where the projects are being given to software companies to develop it. Hence, any core student, if he wants to join a software company, he can join because he is likely to get to work on any of such projects which will be of his interest. In later sessions, we will also discuss about what types of projects and what type of technology the students should prepare, but that becomes a backhand. Just to get selected into any software companies, you need to do the following things which I am mentioning here for you. And the last point is information technology. In fact, it is for CSE and IT students. Hence, software companies are recruiting the students from core branches as well because they have many projects from the core companies and they need these engineers from these core branches who can better understand their field and can do a better programming. Let us discuss something about the preparation process. Now, when you think your preparation process should start, believe me, your preparation process should start right from when you are into second year, and latest should be by third year. It should not be delayed beyond third year, otherwise it will be too late for you to prepare well. If you don't prepare from earlier itself, you might lose many of the chances that comes right from your third year, that is in sixth semester. Many companies do come out with a contest based recruitment process and they start from your third year itself. How you can prepare? You can prepare by referring to the guides, software and learning material that has been provided to you. Don't miss important notices. You should develop excellent logic and must be able to develop algorithm because it's an algorithm which leads to a solution to any problem statements while you are writing a program. Finally, you should be able to write a code for a problem statement in the test and you should become an expert into your programming skills. In next session, I will tell you more about the basic websites which will guide you for an basic learning and practicing into an software. Thank you.